In a country boiling with culture and history, with its capital as one of the most dynamic cities in the world, electronic manufacturing services are a key element of British innovation and industrial know-how. It is in Bedford that Asteelflash has established its local presence and reputation over the years, supporting numerous customers and well-known brand names working towards the same goal: to be the most flexible partner in providing the best quality of service.
The management, the engineers, and even some of the operators have been with me for a long time. They're very loyal, they think and act as a professional organisation, and I'm very proud to lead this team. The people that work in Asteelflash always strive for excellence. Engineers drive the bombs, all the documentations, purchasing work to get the best cost solutions, and they really are a team player in society.
So Ubsense is a company where we try and give computers senses. So we try and allow computers to sense the real world as well as a human perceives it. And one of the key things that we find with this is that knowing where things are allows you to provide a context. So with Asteelflash we build a range of products which allow things to be located down to an accuracy of about 15 centimetres in 3D.
I think customer relationship is a true partnership. A true partnership and a true relationship. We all work hard, we achieve the good things, we strive to be the best, and I think we are the best together as a true relationship. And being there at the right time, at the right place, having the quality drive for the product, having the NPI and the facilities available when the product is ready to launch, being there on time supports Ubsense as a customer, also helps them and helps us.
So here at Asteelflash Bedford, we've recently been investing in automation of the highest level. So the 3D AOIs in line, which allow us to be faster in that area. We have an automated conformal coating line. We have automated soldering in the form of wave and also selective soldering. Automated test solutions in circuit and also functional. And we've recently invested into ESS technology as well, which is allowing us to develop further in more industrial high-end products.
Ubsense is a global company, so therefore we needed a company with a similar global footprint. We work closely with the procurement team, so we make sure that we have three-way meetings with our core suppliers, which means that everyone's on the same page and we can really work together to get the best pricing out of those.
Trustworthy.
Professional.
Expertise.
Respectful.
Family.
Technology.
Position. Team spirit.
Passionate. High quality.
Up for the challenge.
Partnership.
We are Asteelflash Bedford.